Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to mute or unmute microphone in Windows 10. For this, I will use built-in methods and around 4 methods are available to mute or unmute, or you can say enable or disable microphone in Windows 10. So let me proceed without any delay. First method is through system tray. On system tray, right click on the speaker icon and here select open sound settings. Here on the right side, scroll down and click on this one, manage sound devices. Under input section, now click on now under input devices section you will see microphone entries. Click on you want to disable and then select disable option, and if you have already disabled it and you want to enable, then you will find here enable option. This one is first method. Next one method is through device manager. For that, right click on this one start button and here select device manager. In device manager, click on this one audio inputs and outputs to expand it. Then find your microphone entry, right click on it and select disable device option. If the device is already disabled, you will find here enable device option. Like this, you can enable or disable, or you can say mute or unmute microphone on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. You might be already familiar with the settings app. Here you need to click on this one system, then click on this one option sound. On the right, you will again find this one options input and output. In input, click on this one manage sound devices. Here you will find under input devices your microphone entries. Click on you want to disable and select this one disable option, and if microphone is already disabled on your PC, you will find here enable option. Clicking on this will enable microphone on your Windows 10 PC. Last one method is through settings app, but it is for different purpose. So now let me proceed. Press Windows plus I key on your keyboard to open the settings app, and here click on this one privacy option. On the left you will find microphone. Click on this one. On the right you will find this one toggle switch. Under allow apps to access your microphone, in case you will turn off the toggle switch, it will disallow microphone access to your entire system for all apps. And if you want to disallow microphone access for a specific app, then you will find a toggle switch beside app entry. Just toggle off or toggle on according to your needs. You want to allow or disallow microphone on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, kindly press thumbs up, or you can even share my videos with your friends, colleagues. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.